Hi everybody and welcome to Now Lessons. Today we will learn the letter sh, which stands for the opposite, and see how it works on the examples. So, how does it work? Well, all you have to do is put it at the end of a word, and its meaning will change to the opposite. And that is an extremely easy and fun thing to do. So let's try it out. So for example, la means good and lash means bad. So you just put a sh at the end, the meaning changes to the opposite. Nai, it means warm, hot, and naish means cold. High means high or tall, and then we know for sure haish means low. And if sea means next, then seash obviously means previous. So as you can see, that is brilliant, because think about how much memory you're going to save. Think about how many words you actually don't have to memorize if you just know this trick alone. Now, can you use sh with compound words? Well, you kind of can. Because thanks to the associative property of now, most of the time this trick works with compound words as well. So, for example, imagine we have a word like hagalai, which means white. It's not an elementary word. It's long, it's a compound word. But think about it. What's the opposite of white? It's like, with no doubt, the opposite of white is black. So in this kind of case, when you're like really 100% sure that there's like only one possible answer to a compound word, to the opposite of the compound word, then you don't need to worry, just put a sh at the end. So hagalai means white, hagalaish means black. Nipao solse means selfish. And again, what's the opposite of selfish? That's altruistic. Because selfish, it means literally, so literally nipao solse means that you care only about yourself, and nipao solsesh literally means that you only care about the others. So they're the opposites, and you just put a sh at the end and it works. Nipao solsesh, altruistic. Now chushnia fenai means spring, and what's the opposite of spring? That's obviously autumn. So just put a sh at the end and don't even worry. Like, chushniefenai might look like a really scary, long, complicated word, but you don't really need to care about what it consists of, because obviously the opposite of spring is autumn, so chushniefenai, autumn. So finally, baohom means smart, and what's the opposite of smart? With no doubt, it's the opposite of smart is stupid. So baohomsh means stupid. So that's pretty straightforward and pretty easy. But very often, especially with compound words, it's not obvious what is the opposite. So like for beginners, the tip for the beginners, okay? Don't use this trick unless you're like really sure what is the opposite of a word, okay? But for advanced users, so to say, here are the list of rules from section 2, rule 9, from the full set of rules, that you can just check out this list of rules for how to make an opposite, and these rules will help you deal with that like little percentage of cases when it's like not obvious, especially with compound. But okay, this list doesn't directly talk about the compound words. This list is about elementary words. So for beginners, you don't really need to use this list much, but if you're interested, you can take a look. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel to see more videos about now. And you can also check the website now.comzy.com, where you can find all the information about the Now language and the dictionary, the automatic translation, the automatic pronunciation, and lots of other cool things.